Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video I'm showing you this salmon and dill fish cake recipe. I've peeled and chopped 2 large potatoes and put them on to boil for about 20 minutes. And while they're cooking I'm going to chop 3 spring onions. Now we're going to add some butter to the potatoes and give those a really good mash. We want it to be smooth with no lumps. Next we're going to add some salt and pepper. The chopped spring onions, you might call these green onions or scallions. 2 tablespoons of dill, the juice of 1 lemon, and 200 grams of tinned salmon. Now we're going to give that a really good stir to make sure everything's mixed together thoroughly. And as always, you'll find the full recipe for these salmon and dill fish cakes in the description box below the video. I'm just going to move the bowl to one side now and get my chopping board ready. And we're just going to divide the mixture up now. You could, if you want, do 6 smallish fish cakes, but I think I'm going to do 4 larger ones. Now we're going to shape them into fish cakes. And while I'm doing this, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you on YouTube who've watched, liked, subscribed, commented on my channel. It really is appreciated. When I started this channel I was stuck on 3 subscribers for absolutely ages and I didn't think it would ever grow. So I really do appreciate all the support. Anyway, we better get back on with the video now. Okay, so I've got some plain flour, 1 egg that I've beaten, and also some breadcrumbs. I got these from the shop. And we're first going to dip the fish cake into the flour, and then into the egg, make sure it's well covered, and then into the breadcrumbs, and try and get right around the side. It just makes them look a bit nicer. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can just coat them in flour and fry them that way, but they are nice and crispy with the breadcrumbs on. I've heated some oil in a frying pan and I'm going to fry these for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side till they're nice and golden brown. I hope you give these salmon and dill fish cakes a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy meals and recipes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.